So, my name is Karla Westwood. I'm currently a dental nurse and I've been in the profession for about 8 years. And now and now just trying to get into property.
Why you decided to get into property?
Um, it was my other half who's kind of steered me into that direction. So we're kind of trying to get into it together. So yeah, he's got an interest in it and now I've got an interest in it from doing these courses. So.
Amazing. And tell me how you found it. How have you learned a lot? What are you taking away from this event?
Oh, absolutely. We've learned so much. As I said, I came into this not knowing anything at all about property, really. And now I feel like I've got the confidence to go and make this work. And, the team and the people around us are just making it feel like it's really achievable. So, yeah.
Amazing. Speaking about the team,
Yeah.
how have they been for you? How's Samuel been? How's the energy been? Have they been really helpful?
Oh, brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. I've not ever been around energy like this before, so it's a bit unmatched. But everyone here is so lovely. We've booking in the calls with the teams with the mentors, and booking in to speak with the professionals, and it's all gone really well. And just all the advice that they're giving, even helping us, steering us in the right direction, has just been incredible.
Amazing. So anyone who's on the edge, who was thinking, I might go down to the course or get involved,
Yeah.
what would you say to them?
Go and do it, because I went to the course just thinking, okay, I'll go along, I'll just see how it is. And then I was like, okay, I like this. I'm going to give it a go myself. So I just said, just do it, because you've probably got a love for property that you didn't even know about. So go for it.